Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create a post in Basecamp. But before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to think about why you might want to use Basecamp. Basecamp is a project management tool that can help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. It's great for teams of all sizes, and it can be used for a variety of projects, from small to large. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your productivity and collaboration, Basecamp is a great option. Now let's get started with the tutorial. How to create a post in Basecamp. Log in to your Basecamp account. Select the project you want to create a post in. Click on the Message Board tab. Click on the New Message button. Enter a title for your post. Type your message in the text box. You can also add images or videos to your post. Click on the Post button. Your post will be published and visible to all members of the project. Additional tips. You can use the pin feature to keep your post at the top of the message board. You can use the Categories feature to organize your posts. You can use the Notify feature to let specific people know about your post. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to create a post in Basecamp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.